Hello friends, let's learn to make this very easy sunset toenail art design. I'll be using the decal technique to create this design. For this, first take a plastic lid and apply a layer of white polish and let it dry completely. Then using acrylic colors or nail polish, make a gradient as shown. I have used pink, orange, a deeper tinge of red, yellow and green colors to make the gradient. Since I am using acrylic colors over here, I applied the next layer before the previous layer dried out so that there is a little bit more of mixing and it gives a nicer gradient effect. On the yellow, I created the gradient using green color, and when it dried out you can see that it will look like patches of green on the yellow color. Then using black acrylic color, I created the coconut tree. First I made it a little bit twisted, but I didn't like it, so later on I changed it to a little bit curved shape. So using the black acrylic paint, create the coconut tree as shown. After making the leaves of the coconut tree, I made some birds on both the sides of the tree. And I also added some black grass-like things on the lower part of the decal, which unfortunately got cut off because my nails are very short at the moment. But if you have a longer nail, then this part can also be put on your nails. Then I finished off making the leaves and I corrected the stem of the coconut tree and I straightened it up a little bit. And once you are satisfied with your design, let it dry completely and then finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat and leave it overnight to dry off completely. When it is completely dry, it will peel off quite easily, so just remove one edge and peel it off using a forceps. Then you can trim it to the size of your nail if you want, or at least cut off the irregular edges and then apply top coat on your nail and then press down the decal tightly on your nail as shown. Press it down all around and using a small scissors cut off the excess decal from your nail. So this reduces the cleanup process. Trim off all the edges that you can. And then using acetone or nail polish remover and a cleanup brush, remove any excess bits that might be there on the sides. Just melt it off and keep on pressing down. And pay attention to the tips so that all the rough edges get pressed down and the decal does not come off. Finally, when you are done, apply a layer of glossy top coat and your easy toenail art design is done. Remember to cap off the edge of the toenail whenever you are applying a decal. On the rest of my toenails, I applied an orange polish, and as before, this is the trick to remove off the excess polish to get a neater appearance. So I used that trick and I cleaned up my nails. I hope you enjoyed watching this very easy toenail art design, and thanks for watching.